Hi guys, in front of me is HTC Desire 22 Pro, and let me show you how to change the date and time of this device. So at first you need to unroll list of all apps and then go to settings. Now find and select system and go to date and time. And here you can smoothly switch off automatic date and time and set it manually by yourself. So smoothly choose the date that you wish to apply. It's all the same with time. Smoothly choose the hour, tap on OK, and that's it. From now on, your peaked date and time is active. Whenever you wish to go back to automatic setup, just use the stop switcher, and as you can see, it is reverted to automatic date and time. It's network provided one. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.